Hey there! In this short guide, we'll explain how to find and use the CommPeak support PIN. What is a support PIN? It's a 4-digit code that CommPeak uses to identify you as a customer while you interact with our support team. You'll need to provide your PIN whenever creating a support ticket, contacting us via phone or messengers, or using the quick chat. If you want to know more about all the ways to contact our support service, see the guide by the link. Where do you find the support PIN? It's located in your My CommPeak Portal just below the main menu. It will become visible if you click on the eye icon. You can easily generate a new PIN anytime by clicking on the refresh icon. By the way, refreshing your PIN regularly is what we recommend to keep your account secure. Now, copy your PIN and use it to reach out to CommPeak support. Good luck! Thanks for watching.